Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Asad and welcome back to this series of Learning Python for Everyone. In the last video we have talked about list and said how it is different than storing variables. In variables you could either save our text or numbers, but in list you can store both of them and as many of them as you like. Another important thing about list is, let's say if I have a list of numbers is equal to, let's contain these few numbers 3 and maybe 4, and then let's say another one which might contain names with A, B, and maybe C. Now if I want to, let's say, add them, the numbers and the name together in one list, how would I do that? Let's name it as long list. All I have to do is simply number add name. If I print this long list, let's see what it prints. There you go. Do you see it printed the first all the elements in numbers and then all the elements in the name. So you can add list like this. And you can add either the similar ones, such as if I have another list of name 2 and make it equal to C, so I can see the difference, maybe D and then E, let's say. And then rather adding these ones, I'm adding name first and then name 2 second. So let's see what does this print out. As suspected, it printed ABC elements first and then DE elements separate. So it doesn't matter if your elements in a list are of equal length or not equal length. It just added them into a sequence that you put them in, such as name first and then name 2 second. This is interesting because sometimes you want to, let's say, try to have multiple information in different lists and you want to add them all together. So rather than writing the whole list individually, you can just add all the list. Go on, pause the video, write to list and try adding them together and print them to see if it works. Well done to those who have managed to do it. For those who are struggling with it, please comment below so we can discuss it and debug the code together. Till then, take care. Goodbye until we come with the next video.